Welcome! In this quick demo, we'll walk through a real use case for CarbonDrill AI, your intelligent assistant for tracking, calculating, and reducing emissions in drilling operations. When you open CarbonDrill AI, you'll see 4 practical conversation starters, each one designed to help you take action on emissions tracking and carbon footprint management. Let's begin with, how do I get started with calculating the carbon footprint of my drilling operation? CarbonDrill walks you through the process, step by step, tailored to your rig type, operation, and region. Not sure what information you need? Ask, can you help me understand what data I need to provide? CarbonDrill outlines the required inputs, like fuel type, daily consumption, generator runtime, and support vessel activity. Need improvement strategies? Ask, I'm not sure how to reduce my carbon footprint. Can you give me some recommendations? CarbonDrill delivers actionable suggestions backed by best practices and current technologies. And if you want to know where to focus, try. What are the main areas I should focus on to lower my carbon emissions? CarbonDrill identifies your biggest contributors, like diesel combustion, flaring, and logistics, and where to cut emissions effectively. Now, let's put CarbonDrill AI to the test with a real scenario. We've selected, how do I get started with calculating the carbon footprint of my drilling operation, and entered details for a 75-day exploratory offshore campaign on a 6th-generation drillship. CarbonDrill guides us step by step, starting with operation type, drilling activity, and then a deep dive into your inputs. 37 cubic meters of low-sulfur diesel used daily, conventional generator power, logistics via supply vessels and helicopters, and a detailed inventory of onboard equipment and runtime. With that, CarbonDrill calculates total CO2e emissions across multiple categories: fuel combustion, marine and air transport, accommodation load, and machinery power. The result? 7,572.21 tons of CO2e, slightly above industry average due to continuous high-powered engine and thruster use. It then breaks this down per category, benchmarks it against similar operations. Once complete, CarbonDrill generates a detailed, downloadable PDF report, including your emissions breakdown, source analysis, and recommendations to improve efficiency and reduce carbon impact. CarbonDrill will even deliver a GHG protocol-compliant report ready to download and share. CarbonDrill AI helps you stay compliant, data-driven, and environmentally responsible. Try it today in the EXOPS AI GPT store.